Hi, thank you for joining me on the solar system lesson plan. Here we're taking a look at a couple of resources. When you're first introducing the topic to your child, I would suggest that you go with an overall resource so that they really have an understanding of how many planets there are and the different components to our solar system. From there, you can certainly dive in deeper, and if they're interested in Mars, for instance, then you can find a resource that's specific to Mars. But one of those initial resources would be this one here. This is a Paragon Publishing book. It's entitled Questions, Answers on Earth and Science. And I love the question answer part because that's the language of kids. How many times are they asking, who and what and where? And my favorite is, what if? As those imaginations are stretching a little bit. So this is going to be a great resource for the little ones in that question answer format. Another book that I'd like to focus your attention on is under the Focus On series, and this book is titled Outer Space. This is from Top That Publishing, and I have to point out that this is probably the most unique table of contents that I've come across. I love all the little illustrations for the table of contents here, really drawing in their attention right from the beginning. And certainly you want to take advantage of that and hop to those pages that are of interest to them. But this is going to be a really good overall book. The other thing that I really appreciate about this book is the way that each page is set up. Some children have a hard time, just reading a chapter all the way through what might otherwise feel like another textbook to them. And this is certainly not that case. The information is broken into, bits and pieces, throughout the pages here. So you can just highlight something over here and then grab a little segment over there, put the two together, move on to another page, maybe even coming back, to that page. And again, I think this is something that'll better captivate your audience, your young audience. So you want to check this out. This is again under the Focus On series. The book is titled Outer Space. And then we have the other one here. It was the question answer on Earth and Space. Thank you again for joining me. Homeroom at Home. This was the solar system lesson.